Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. You guys know I'm smiling, okay? Hey, you new to the page? Go ahead, take your finger, hit the like, subscribe, and that notification bell, right? Been rolling with me, hit that notification bell. Weibo has their promo going on. We'll talk about that at the end. They're actually going to give you up to $8,300 now by depositing 1 penny. Click the link below. You guys know I'm happy about the Fed talking today. Usually when the Fed talks, it's negative towards the market. We all knew, tapering was coming. We knew that the biggest threat to the market was higher rates. Higher rates are going to come. The question was, I'm sorry, guys, got the thing all the way over here. Higher rates was going to happen, but what the market was afraid of was how it was going to happen. Was it going to happen soon? Was it going to happen often? How often it was going to happen. And so, generally, I think the Fed does a horrible job, but so far, I think that they're doing a decent job by balancing the market out. Yes, the Fed printed money like it was going out of style. Okay, there's no easy answer, and I think they printed too much money. I think most people agree with me. They printed too much money. Hey, we got a debt to pay, and that's not good for us, whether you think so or not. Short term, yeah, it props the market up, but it's like a credit card. You got to pay that bill, and so we're faced with that. We're in trouble as a country with that. But let's deal with what's going on right now. So I want everyone that's watching this video to watch the video that I'm going to leave in this box. It was talking about before the Fed speaks. Now I'm going to talk about after the Fed spoke. And they're going to be speaking again tomorrow. Right? Let's go over here. Let's look at what we got here. I got CNBC up. Let's go here. This is what's happening, good people. Let me get that out of the way. So the Fed, the Dow went up over 300 points, 380 points because of what the Fed said. Here we go. The Federal Reserve said Wednesday that it will halt crisis-driven asset purchase early next year, meaning they will start tapering next year. All right. Setting the stage for 3 interest rate hikes in 2022 to help counter the threat of persistently high inflation. The stock market, right, which was low as investors braced for Fed meeting news, turned higher after the policy news. Okay, so what happens was, just like we said in the video before this, the market had priced a lot of this in, and we were simply waiting for the Fed notes and the Fed to speak. So we looked at Goldman Sachs as a hedge against inflation, it being in banks, because it had a fair PE, right? And then we looked at one that had a high evaluation, which was Tesla. Okay. So let's look at what happened to them after the Fed spoke. So if you look here, you see Goldman Sachs, right? So Goldman Sachs, Tesla's the yellow, Goldman Sachs is the blue. All right. Look at what happened. All right. Here, this is Eastern time, New York time. All right. So look at the top there, December 15th. It's one day. So December 15th, about 3 o'clock. Eastern time. All right. So wherever you are right now, look at what happened. Boom. So right here, they were in direct correlation, and then boom, they're still here. Look at that. Look at that. So they both moved in lockstep. This being Goldman Sachs and Tesla. All right. Goldman Sachs has a PE ratio of 6, and Tesla is like 300. Okay. So now let's look at this. So I always like to look at crypto, also cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's do this. This is the Dow, right? and this is Bitcoin. So I'm using the Dow as a indicator, and I'm using Bitcoin as an indicator for crypto, and the Dow, I'm sorry, for stocks. All right. So this is the Dow. This is crypto. Look at what happened when the Fed started talking. Boom. The Dow went up. Crypto went up. So you'll see all of your crypto running up with the stock market. And that's why we have to understand that the stock market is going to have an effect and dictate what happens to the crypto market, good people. And so, hey, I hope you guys are learning a lot. I'm still learning. I remain fluid. Over 27 years now, I remain fluid because there's always times for us to move, and we don't want to be surprised. We want to be prepared. All right, good people. So I think we're good. I still think it's a season that we should be looking for long-term stock. So it's a win-win for me. It's a win-win for my Goldman Sachs, which is banking, and it's a win-win for my Tesla stock. So I look for high multiple stock that will beat down, that was taking a whooping because of this, Tesla being one. And I bought a few shares of it. But as you guys know, a few weeks ago, I was talking about Goldman Sachs, was that last week, being a good bank to be in, all right, as a hedge against inflation. Okay, so now we're going to make money regardless if it's a bear season or a bull season. Notice how much hype I got in my voice. Like if the market would have tanked, I would have been like, so good people, look, we going to get through this. But I'm happy today. I know you guys are happy too. Leave me some comments below, and just remember about this Webull promotion. Download my link below. Deposit 1 penny. They're going to give you now 5 free stock worth up to $8,300. You could trade crypto and stocks. You could trade pre and post market, hours before it opens and hours after it closes. All right, good people. Lastly, about the clocks that you guys are buying. Someone brought up, I was talking to one of my business partners, and they were suggesting maybe donating it to making that. So I have a charity that I work with, but I think from now until Christmas, I'm trying to work that out to where I can donate my proceeds, which is 100% from the clocks, to the tornado victims. Okay, so that's what I think I'm gonna wind up doing, but I want to make sure I'll post a video on that tomorrow. Right? Live, love, laugh, and learn. Love you guys.